Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, it's your boy Shiny, here with another Keycap unboxing video. Now today, guys, I am proud to be bringing you an unboxing of a new cap from a prominent new maker. His name is Eric Valles, Eric Valles. He is a new maker. He's making new keycaps. He's really shaking up the industry, and I'm really proud to be showcasing his caps today. So his new keycap, I believe, is called the Plagway Doctor. Pretty cool, you know. I'm proud of him. He's a cool guy. So we're gonna open this today. We're gonna see, what he's got. So I'm gonna open the cap the way everybody opens up boxes. Hang on, I'm just gonna fucking carve into this motherfucking. Fuck you, bitch! Open the fucking box. All right. So made my initial incision. Gotta fucking tear this motherfucker open. All right, cool. Okay, so we open the box and we're gonna go ahead and take a first look at the keycap now, guys. And I don't know what that is. Hang on. I'm sorry, guys. Give me a second to pull this out here. I'm gonna put it in the box. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't know what this is. This was not the cap I was expecting. This is kind of a bullshit. I don't know. I don't like this. I was expecting a Eric Valles cap, Godlike Kitten. I don't know what this is. I'm pretty annoyed, so I'm probably gonna throw this keycap in the trash and contact Eric and see what happened, but this is not acceptable, and I'm sorry that I had to leave you guys with this video. Yeah, alright, until next time, guys, this was Shiny, and this was a keycap review. Sorry it didn't go as planned, but, these things happen. Alright, guys, have a good day. Bye.